Oh man, it's begun. It's the morning that we're supposed to leave. Just woke up. I haven't done my hair yet. I gotta fix it up. Here we go. Off to Grandma's to drop off the dogs. Watch out, Jade. Scoot back, Jade. Scoot over. All right, we just dropped off the dogs to Grandma. Now we're gonna start heading out. We're visiting our favorite store in St. George.
Yeah. The Deseret Industry.
Yep. That is a real palm tree. All right, Kyle, show us what you got.
I got Doom for the Nintendo 64.
Yay! I didn't even realize that you had that on.
And Super Mario for the 64.
Yep. Cool. They had lots of cool stuff there.
Yeah, lots of cool stuff.
Not things for me, but things that you go, hey, that's cool. So yeah.
Welcome to Nevada.
Yeah, we're about 8-10 minutes from Mesquite, where our hotel is for tonight. And then from there, I don't know what we're gonna do. She's had a couple of treats, as you can tell. Kids were begging to get in the pool, and it is cold out here, you guys. I am shivering. Guessing it's about 60 degrees. It's not the warmest. But my kids and Daddy are getting in. Kyle says the pool water is pretty warm, so. Alright, we're back on the road again.
Yes.
We just got breakfast, and we're making the hour and 20-minute drive to hour and 9-minute drive to Las Vegas, where we're going to walk some of the hotels. Okay, thank you. Look at all them cactus trees. I don't know if that's what they're called, but I love them. Hey Kyle. Welcome to California. Love you. We had to make a stop. So, story time. This crumble is owned by Kyle's brother and his wife. And so we had to stop. We're gonna get cookies and visit family. Ooh, that looks good, huh?
Yeah, I want this.
You want that one?
Yeah.
You're gonna get a cookie. What? You're gonna get a cookie. Yeah. Okay. All right. So Jason was so kind, and he gave us all these cookies
For free.
for free. That is right. So thank you, Jason. I don't know if he'll ever even watch this. But we've been eating this red velvet mystery cookie
Mystery cookie of the month.
of the month. The kids have been eating that one. We haven't eaten any of the other ones. Let's show you all these other delectable cookies. Yum! We're so excited. Oh my heck, the smell. It smells so good. Harbor Boulevard. We're doing it! We've got our pans. We should be showing what we're starting out with. Here's what we're starting with. We're in World of Disney. Oh, I love that. That one's cool. I actually really like these water bottles too. A heavy cup.
I got this extra.
Oh, cool.
It's heavy.
Alright, so it's the next day, morning of the 19th. We did some pin trading last night. We didn't do a lot because there weren't a lot of pin boards or lanyards out. So, but I want to show you what I got. I got this pin. The kids did a couple pin trades too. But yeah, right now we are trying to find parking for downtown Disney. It's been a while since we've done this, so we are not sure which roads to take. After we walk downtown Disney, do a little bit of pin trading, we're going to start making our way to the beach that we are going to do today. And then after the beach, we have a dinner reservation at Goofy's Kitchen. That's the plan for today. These are like succulents on that. That's cool. Are there any ones you see that are cool?
No, not yet. Oh, that's cute.
That is cute.
Lego.
Yeah, it's all made out of Legos, you guys.
Someone built that.
That is amazing. Kaylee. Do you like her pose, you guys? Isn't that so cute? Every time she sees herself in the camera, she makes that face.
Hi.
Where are we?
At the beach.
We're at the beach now. It is a little bit cool today. It's overcast. It's threatening to rain a little bit, but I think it'll be all right. What do you think? Do you like it?
It's sand. I think we have a winner. I put some water in there just in case.
Ooh, yeah.
Can you help me find some shells?
Do you guys think that Goofy will be a really good cook? We're gonna go eat at Goofy's Kitchen.
Yes, I think he's a really
You think he's gonna be a good cook?
Yeah, because he does work with so much.
I sure hope so. I'm starving.
I don't think Goofy would be a good cook. He's probably mixing weird things. All
I
right.
think Chip and Dale help him though.
Oh, maybe Chip and Dale help him. Okay, let's go. I think Ryland's most excited to see Minnie.
I love Minnie. She's cute.
She is.
I don't know what. Actually, I don't know what's in because I'm actually more excited about. I'm more excited about everything.
You're most excited about every one of them. Haley. I got you. Dale's nice. He's not gonna hurt you. He's so nice. Hi, Dale. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Here.
Some more sugar for you. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Actually, his birthday is almost
Yeah,
That's
but
good
in
enough for me,
about
yeah.
3 days.
How old will you be turning?
10.
All right,
Ten.
folks, we have Kira celebrating her 10th birthday.
Yay!
I need some help. Help me out on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. A Goofy hat. Cute. I love that.
Pretty girl.
Happy birthday.
Is it your birthday? How old are you? 10. You don't have any more fingers to count with. What are you gonna do? Maybe
We'll
stop
just-
growing up?
We'll just stop growing up. That's the best option.
All right. Thanks for walking.